We dive into Learning Outcome 4, describe the role of organizing in the business context, and Learning Outcome 5 to discuss the pivotal fundamentals of the organizing process. First, let's explore the principles of organizing, starting with coordination. Coordination involves synchronization and integration of activities and efforts within an organization, ensuring harmonious collaboration towards common goals. It involves aligning various elements, resources, and departments to achieve efficiency and synergy in their functions. Imagine a soccer team, a perfect analogy for coordination. Players understanding their roles, passing the ball effectively, working together to score goals, much like different departments in a business striving for common objectives. Just like in a business, coordination ensures that different departments or individuals work together effectively to achieve common goals. Next, the chain of command, defined as the hierarchical structure within an organization. Similar to a military system, this hierarchical arrangement in business defines the line of authority, guiding who reports to whom, ensuring order and accountability. Unity of command, the principle that streamlines directives and employees should receive instructions from only one superior to avoid conflicting instructions and confusion. In a kitchen, each chef follows orders from one head chef, ensuring a single source of directives, avoiding conflicting instructions, much like in the workplace. Finally, the span of control, the number of subordinates a manager or supervisor can effectively oversee and direct within an organization. A manager's effectiveness in supervising and directing a small or larger team, balancing personalized attention and greater efficiency. Let's discuss the key fundamentals of the organizing process. Job design focuses on how tasks and responsibilities are structured and can impact employee satisfaction and productivity. Job specialization focuses on a specific task or role within a job, enhancing expertise and efficiency in that particular area. For example, in a manufacturing plant, workers excel at specific tasks, boosting efficiency, similar to a specialized role in a retail setting or an office. Job rotation is the practice of moving employees through various roles or departments within an organization to broaden their experience and skill set. Imagine a cashier in a large retail store exploring customer service or stocking shelves. This variety enhances skills and reduces monotony. Job rotation helps employees gain a broader skill set and reduces monotony. Job enlargement is expanding a job's tasks and responsibilities horizontally to provide variety and reduce monotony. Job enlargement might involve a secretary taking on additional responsibilities, such as managing office supplies and scheduling meetings, in addition to their regular tasks. This approach increases job variety and reduces repetitiveness. Job enrichment is increasing a job's depth by adding more meaningful tasks, autonomy, and responsibility to enhance motivation and satisfaction. A software engineer embracing diverse tasks involves not only coding, but also designing the user interface and testing the software, leading to heightened satisfaction and motivation. Understanding these principles is essential for effective business management. You are on the path to becoming a valuable asset in the business realm, optimizing productivity and satisfaction in job design and organization. Embrace this knowledge and explore further resources to deepen your understanding.